This is a free Resolve plugin. CSV in, animated chart out. No fusion splines, no screen recording flourish. Download the zip, extract it, copy the bundle folder into your OFX plugins folder, restart Resolve. Drop it on a track like any other generator. Point it at the CSV. It found the country, year and value columns on its own. Now we can work with this like any other generator. For example, we can change the top of the value 10 to the top 15 countries, and it's immediately reflected in the preview. We can also set the duration to 13 seconds, and then the clip will not run to the end. But if we extend it all the way out to more than 13 seconds, we can have a static image then at the end. Also, it's possible to set a little bit of delay at the beginning. Another thing that we can do is set the general color of our scene. And also, when we go into the series, in this case the United States, we can change the color blue to green if we wanted to, and you see it's immediately reflected in the preview. I will just show the next settings briefly so you can read it while you pause. But for example, we could set the decimal places to 2, and then the scene is adapted accordingly. Another thing we could do is to deactivate the glow, or we could add or remove the motion blur. The generator has a transparent background, so you can put whatever footage you want under it. If you wanted to get rid of this small watermark, you could go here to get the license. Once you have a key, you put it in here and then just activate it, and the small little watermark is gone.